Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Zemanek, and today's question comes from Minnesota. He writes, I was in a very difficult situation. I prayed and asked God to get me out of it, but He didn't. Why didn't God answer my prayer? Absolutely fantastic question, and it's one that I'm sure a lot of us have had over the years. There are a lot of places to turn to in the Bible for answers to this, but my favorite is to turn to Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane. We see it in the Gospels. What we find there is that Jesus is in a very difficult situation. He is about to die for something He didn't do, our sin. So He prays 3 times and asks the Father, please get me out of this if there's any other way. And what He heard from heaven was this: nothing. When we hear nothing in response to our prayers to get out of difficult situations, we need to assume that God has already made up His mind, i.e., stay in the situation. I have a purpose for it. So when God doesn't answer us to get us out of situations, it isn't because He's angry with us or because He hates us. It's often because God wants us to go through very difficult situations for the betterment of other people. Well, those are my thoughts. And remember, because of Jesus, life is good today.